Hello and welcome. It's Kathy Lee from Kathy's Creative Place. I have a new project to share with you, and this is one of the cards that I made for the March Craftology box from Country Craft Creations. This is a Lollipop card. These cards are very popular in Europe, and I wanted to share with you what I made with the um, papers from the March Craftology box. The paper collection is from Graphic 45. It is called Sunkissed, and just the most adorable imagery that you can imagine. And girls, this took me no more than 2 hours to create this entire card. So I will have a tutorial on my YouTube channel within the coming days, but I wanted to give you a preview of what you can make with this design. I'll go through even creating your own flowers from the paper collection and how to create your shaker card no matter what kind of base that you use. I use some dies, but you can use anything in your arsenal, whether it be creative scissors or your silhouette or your Cricut or anything. So there's all kinds of uh, creative elements that you can use with the tools that you probably already have in your craft room. And I can't wait to share those with you. And I'm sorry for the glare, but the acetate is really taking on all the light that I have. The uh, the shaker elements that I used for this particular card were from the add-on kit from 28 Lilac Lane. It's the sequins and the seed beads. I put those in there for my shaker, and there's a sticker behind it. So easy. You will love making this card. So again, this is coming, and I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.